morning. Hello and welcome to my daily vlog of life on our beef and arable farm here in South Yorkshire. I am back at 90% of full health, I think. Yesterday I was feeling terrible and now I'm back. Positivity, we're on it. Clocks went forward last night, didn't they, here in the UK, so that means we've had an hour less in bed. So what is now 8 o'clock is actually like 7 o'clock. So the cows will be getting their feed an hour early. Is that right? Hopefully I've done the maths right there in my head. I'm sure people will let me know if I'm wrong. Let's get feeding anyway. Right, so my dad's off feeding round. I'll be jumping on the straw blower and the 130, of course. It is Easter Sunday and I'm sure everyone is still tucked in bed at this time. I mean, there was nobody on the roads this morning on my way to work. And but yeah, the cows don't know no different. They still want feeding and bedding down. And as does every single farm animal that's here in the UK or across the world. Like, it just doesn't stop, does it? We may have a go at drilling today, see how my dad feels. If we don't know, if he thinks it's going to be too wet, I'll not be too disappointed because I'll get to go and spend a bit of time with Becky and the kids, doing sort of an Easter trail at a local farm to us. Well, I'm not sure if it is a farm. Well, we'll find out anyway if we get there. Ploughing tractors all there. That probably won't dropping off. Getting plenty of straw blasted out for these. So even though it's Easter Sunday, we're not giving them half measures or anything like that. It's a normal day. Straw wise, feed wise, looking after the cattle wise. It's raining snow. Raining snow? What man? Raining straw, that's what I mean. Yeah, like I say, I'm still not 100% with it, guys. We'll get there, we'll get there. So my dad's coming in here. He's going to feed these. Then I'll come in and straw them up. Tyres still doing the work after nearly 3,000 hours. Aren't you guys lovely, eh? Yes, yes you are. Feeding out in another pen now. Hello fella. And we can get you guys strawed up, can't we? You're not going to be my mate. We ain't got none that are my friend today, have we? No. Oh, I think I found one already. Knew it wouldn't be long. Knew you'd be here to find me. So these are the new guys. Just give them a little bit of meal. And they've got loads of hay there to eat, to keep them full. There's 2 clouds in the sky though today. There we go. So just watching the temperature on here, 96. I know that that's too high, so we will have to just clean off the screens before we're done. This is our last bale, so we'll do it after that. So with health and safety now, you have to use a tool to open the bonnets of tractors. Which, come on, like, why not just make it easy? Let's have a look, see how bad we are. Fairly bad. That ought to do it though. I feel like it's in the runner, right? Yeah, I think it. Maybe it's not. We'll check that. I've got it sorted now, but those grills are fantastic because they keep the radiator clean. Yes, they do bung up, and you do have to take them out probably more often than if you had to just clean the radiator. But yeah, I think they're brilliant. Dad's coming in here now with the spreader bale. So he's gonna straw these guys up, make them look pretty, keep them dry, keep them clean. But it's taking forever because he's on the phone. There we go, it's getting started now. Look at this lone brown one. Hello. So, just putting the molasses into this new ones mix. And it sounds like Dad thinks it's still a bit too wet to drill. So, that's good. So that means I can get out to Becky and the kids who are at Hooton Lodge, that's what it's called. Hooton Lodge Farm, I think it's called. It's like an Easter egg hunt kind of thing, people dressed up. So we'll get there and then have a day out with them, which would be nice, like, because we don't have many days out that's not like coming to see me on the farm or anything like that. So yeah, it's nice to have some proper family time for once. Just my day. So I got my nice clean hat out of the tractor. I thought, oh, it's got a bit of straw in it, so I started pulling the bits of straw off it. Then I managed to drop it and then stand on it with my welly. That's been, well, you know where my wellies have been. Okay, hopefully there's one in my car. Right, so I've got a dash there now, still in work stuff, but I think everybody will be all right about that. Turn Biggie Smalls off. And yeah, we better get there. Here I am.
Arrived.
What's going on here? So I've just got parked up down there. We've got fairground rides. And then this is the queue to get in. Them guys are already in there. What are you looking at? The bunny! Oh, you got hiccups, Bella. So we're going on the trail now. Oh, it's a little walk through this coffee strip for Easter. What you got there, Isaac? What's that? Oh, is it your map?
Do you want a pencil, mate? Oh, what's that?
There are lots of eggs hidden in the woods. Lots and lots of carrots, isn't there?
Hello.
Have you still got hiccups? Oh, bless you. Oh, are we going to get a smile? No? Not yet. Here we go.
I know how to erase.
Even a fox here. Might be more actually around these parts.
Real ones.
There probably will be some real ones.
I'll be scared off a little bit.
It's not a number, it's a letter. You know that letter, don't you?
What is it? Oh, let him do it. 1 minute. What about your brother? Say Easter.
Esme's getting a wishing ticket now.
Right, that's for me.
Some rabbits about. I think this part here is a trials bike park that they also have. Looks like it'd be quite fun. Huh? Struggling because it's a slope. So they've got a sheep in a trailer. 2 sheep, is it? Oh, yeah, there's a lamb in there as well. Got 2 lambs. So you get sheep on the channel today, not just cattle. And donkeys as well. Eh? How easy is that to do? Just get your trailer, set up a few gates. And there you've got a way of showing the public some farm animals. Can you rap? Can we play? Down at the grave.
Unicorn.
Here is baboon unicorn, yeah, we are.
What birds are they? I think they're all owls. No, they look like
Spectacle.
Yeah, lots of little stalls and stuff, and then all the rides, helter skelter. Hook a duck. Oh, what's it? What are them called now? I think it says Hellblazer there, but it's what would you call that ride now? With the spinning, usually like spinning teacups, aren't they? Let me know in comments. Waiting for us, mate.
But they bought a face paint, and now going to be a cat. No! Going to be a snake.
Well done, mate.
With a fish. You're a fish.
Are you concerned? No, it's fine. This mate's getting her stuff.
Pink nose. Okay.
Wow!
That is incredible. What do you say? Thank you. That's very good. Thank you.
Let's have a look. Let's look at the other side. Other side of your face. Wow. Mean. We just been doing the okie dokie.
Yeah! Daddy won.
Daddy won, did he? Right, what we're going to do now? We're going to go and do want some rides, aren't we? Sure which ride we're going on. So there's plenty to choose from. Isaac and Esme going on the helter skelter. Isaac just fell out. Go on then. Off we go. They're off up the steps of the helter skelter. They're up at the top. Isaac's getting on. Is he on his way down? We think, possibly. I think he's coming. Come on, Isaac! I think he's stopped himself. Woo! You were stopping yourself on it.
I couldn't go on it.
You stop, Isaac.
His welly fell.
Well, he came off. Esme's on her way down now. You think? I can't see her. Oh no, she has set off now. Can't be going down very fast, so. Oh, yep, just seen it. Look at the speed. Woo. Well, I didn't know Andy were here. Does anybody get it? Does anybody get it? So these guys are on the Crazy Bulls. You like that, Isaac?
No, I didn't.
You like it, Esme?
Breakfast.
We're getting Mummy to the car now. Oh, and the kids. Ah, somebody's camping here in the van.
Had a nice time.
You have had a nice time. Have you had a nice time, Esme?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, Daddy's going to go then. You have fun at Nana's.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
What?
Business.
Okay, bye.
It's morning.
Well, yeah, morning and business, yeah. You said morning if you want.
Yeah. Morning.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon too.
See you later, Mummy.
See you later.
Don't make a mess at home.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Bye. I'm gonna head back to the farm now. Leave the rides and Hooton Lodge farm. I think it's called, is it just called Hooton Lodge? I'm not sure. Hooton Lodge farm or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna leave here and get some proper farming done. Actually, a fair bit of caravan and camping space for folk. Anyway, like I said, back to the farm. I'm back, so we'll feed out some of those cattle that are around the back, the new ones. Before I go feeding out with the mixer, I'm going to take this with me and the TM, and then any mucky bits of feed we'll chuck into the pen, and any good stuff we'll push up, and then we can sort of use the mixer later today and get them fed. Well, looks like they've very much eaten it all up, but as you can see, we've got some bits down here that they've not been touching, so we'll get rid of that, get a clean slate, and keep them a bit happier. There's all sorts, you see, bits of lumps and stuff that they're not bothered about. We'll just chuck them out and then we can get them fed. So I've got those guys fed out. I'll show you in a minute because I forgot to film that part. And now we're just putting in stuff ready for another mix. So the hay and the whole crop silage that we're putting in. Get this all chopped down. Got more cattle to feed. We've just had a video sent by John Deere Mick. It looks like they're drilling today in some nice conditions. Pop that in now. Right, my dad's took over the TM. I'm going to get these guys fed. If you can be bothered to get up, can you? Oh, you can. Hello. Hello, mister. And they're being fed again. So in the start of the video, this is their second feed in the afternoon. Every day we feed them twice a day. Right, so we're getting everything back in the shed. My dad's got a few more places to feed. 9 metre wouldn't start, so jump leads are out ready for the morning to get that started off the 1:30. No point in doing it now because we'll be turning it off too soon. So that is about it from me today, guys. If you have liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe if you've not already. Sorry, it's not much really happening on the farm. It's Easter Sunday after all, and it was nice to spend some time with the kids. So yeah, that's how it is. Tomorrow I think it's raining, so that'll be great fun. But I hope everyone is having a great Easter, and yeah, let us know what you've been up to over the Easter weekend. Have you been doing anything special or fun, or have you been working like me? So yeah, let us know in the comments, and if anybody wants any of the merchandise, late Easter present, then joeseelsjobs.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.